Welcome back to Drive Future, where performance meets innovation, and today we're diving into one of the most anticipated performance sedans in the world, the all-new 2026 BMW M5. This car is not just an evolution of a legend, it's a bold statement about where high-performance luxury sedans are heading in the modern era. From the moment you see the 2026 M5, it's clear BMW has taken a more aggressive and futuristic approach. The iconic kidney grille is larger and more sculpted, framed by sharp laser-inspired LED headlights that give the car an intimidating presence day or night. The hood features pronounced power bulges, hinting at the immense strength underneath, while the wider fenders and aerodynamic side skirts emphasize its muscular stance. At the rear, the quad exhaust tips, signature to the M lineup, are paired with a redesigned diffuser and sleek LED taillights, creating a perfect balance between elegance and raw aggression. Every angle of the 2026 M5 looks purposeful, designed not just to turn heads but to dominate the road. Step inside, and the cabin immediately surrounds you with a blend of luxury, technology, and motorsport DNA. BMW has elevated the interior to feel more immersive than ever before. Premium merino leather carbon fiber trim and brushed aluminum accents come together to create a cockpit that feels both refined and performance-focused. The new curved digital display seamlessly combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system, powered by the latest iDrive software, offering lightning-fast responsiveness and deep customization. The M-specific graphics adapt based on driving modes, giving you real-time performance data when you want it, and a clean luxury layout when cruising. The seats are aggressively bolstered yet supremely comfortable, offering heating, ventilation, and extensive adjustability, making long drives just as enjoyable as spirited ones. Ambient lighting flows across the dashboard and doors, adding a modern premium atmosphere that can be tailored to your mood. Under the hood is where the 2026 BMW M5 truly redefines itself. This generation embraces electrification while staying true to its performance roots. The twin-turbocharged V8 engine is now paired with a high-performance hybrid system, delivering staggering power and torque figures that push the M5 into supercar territory. Combined output is expected to exceed 700 horsepower, launching the M5 from 0 to 60 in just over 3 seconds. The electric motor not only enhances straight-line acceleration but also fills in torque gaps, making throttle response instant and relentless. Power is sent through an advanced M-Steptronic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, which can intelligently distribute power for maximum traction or switch to a rear-biased setup for a more traditional M-driving feel. For purists, selectable drive modes allow you to tailor steering weight, suspension stiffness, the throttle response, and drivetrain behavior, transforming the M5 from a comfortable executive sedan into a track-ready monster at the press of a button. The driving experience of the 2026 M5 is where technology and engineering brilliance truly shine. Adaptive M suspension continuously reads the road surface and driving conditions, adjusting in milliseconds to keep the car stable and planted. Despite its size and luxury, the M5 feels remarkably agile, carving through corners with confidence and precision. Rear-wheel steering enhances low-speed maneuverability and high-speed stability, making tight city driving easier while improving control during aggressive cornering. Massive high-performance brakes provide exceptional stopping power, with optional carbon ceramic brakes available for those who demand ultimate performance and fade resistance. Whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking a winding mountain road, the M5 delivers a driving experience that feels both thrilling and reassuring. Technology and safety are just as impressive as performance. The 2026 BMW M5 comes loaded with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. BMW's latest semi-autonomous driving capabilities make long journeys more relaxed while still keeping the driver engaged. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto over-the-air updates, and a premium surround sound system that transforms the cabin into a concert hall. Even with all this tech, BMW has ensured that the driving experience remains the focus, with intuitive controls and a driver-centric layout that avoids unnecessary distractions. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either. The 2026 M5 offers generous rear seat space, making it comfortable for passengers, while the trunk provides ample cargo capacity for daily use or weekend trips. This is a car that can handle family duties during the week and unleash extreme performance on the weekend. a balance few vehicles can achieve as well as the M5. The hybrid system also brings improved efficiency compared to previous generations, allowing for short electric-only driving in urban environments and reduced emissions without sacrificing excitement. The 2026 BMW M5 stands as a powerful symbol of the future of performance sedans. It proves that electrification doesn't mean the end of excitement, but rather a new chapter where speed, efficiency, and innovation coexist. BMW has managed to preserve the soul of the M5 while pushing it into a new era, delivering a car that feels just as thrilling as it is advanced. For enthusiasts, it's reassurance that the legendary M badge still represents uncompromising performance. For the future of automotive engineering, it's a glimpse of what's possible when tradition meets cutting-edge technology. This is not just a new BMW M5, this is the next evolution of driving passion. And here at Drive Future, we can confidently say the legend is stronger than ever.